How to fix we couldn't verify your country on YouTube Premium. So if you have problem like this, so how you can fix this problem? So first of all, you have to go back to the home screen of your phone. And now you have to open your YouTube app. Then you have to click on this your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then you will have an interface like this, and now you have to click on the settings icon in the top right corner. And now you have to click on the general option. Then you will have an interface like this, and now you will find option called location. And now you have to select your location, select your country over here. Then you have to go back. After that, you have to go back to the home screen of your phone, and now you have to open your Play Store or App Store, whichever device you use. Then you have to click on search bar, and then you have to search for YouTube. After that, you have to update your YouTube to the latest version, and that is how you can solve this problem. So if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like it, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe.